All right, we are going to make cranberry salad. These are all of my ingredients. The one thing I'm going to do different is instead of using regular sugar, I'm going to use Trivia to help cut back on some of the calories for our cranberry salad. So let's get started. All right, I got 1.5 cups of water, and I am going to add 2 cups of cranberries. I got my 2 cups of cranberries in there. If you see any bad ones or rotten ones, you can always take those out and throw them away. Now I'm gonna let these cranberries come to a boil, and then I'm gonna turn them down to a simmer. And once I've got them turned down to a simmer, that's when I'm gonna add my sugar. So while my cranberries are in the hot water, slowly coming to a boil, I've chopped up my grapes. I've also chopped my pecans. And now I'm getting ready to chop my apple. All right, so I drained my pineapple juice into my bowl here. I'm gonna add my apples and grapes. I'm also going to add my nuts. And then I'm gonna give them a good stir. Getting the pineapple juice all over the apples and stuff, it would just help the apples from turning brown. So we'll let that sit there. And you can see over here, the cranberries are starting to pop and come to a boil. So now I'm gonna turn that down to a low heat, and we're just gonna let those simmer. All right, we got the cranberries. They've simmered for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add the Trivia. I'm going to stir that in there until it dissolves really well. And you can see here's my supervisor, keeping an eye in case I drop anything she may want. Now I'm going to add my cherry Jell-O pack. All right, here is my cranberry salad. So I'll put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator overnight, but you can leave it in there for 2 to 3 hours until it firms up, and then it is ready. Add a little Cool Whip on top, and you got a great side dish or dessert.